You're gonna love the 2023 Honda Ridgeline. This Ridgeline takes a thoughtful approach to meeting the demands of your active lifestyle. You'll love its rugged capability, smooth ride, and easy handling, as well as its clever cargo and entertainment solutions and customizable all-weather driving modes. It's a hard-working pickup truck that's anything but ordinary. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, fog lamps, backup camera, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, rear AC. Rough and ready meets smooth and sophisticated in this exquisitely versatile Honda Ridgeline. See for yourself when you come in for a test drive.